Ladies and gentlemen, XRP Army, welcome back here to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the XRP price, and sounds like my Margex order might have just posted. We'll take a look at that. I'm making a little small play here on XRP. We'll get to that a little bit later on in the video. Here's why XRP's new banking plan could send XRP price to $4. That's what we're going to get into a little bit later on in the video. Now, I want to start somewhere else, though, because the big question here for XRP and every other altcoin is, when does altcoin season start? Well, I've got some interesting things to share with you in terms of where we are on that timeline. And in the past 90 days, XRP is one of the leaders in the clubhouse against Bitcoin. Yes, that's right. XRP has been outpacing Bitcoin now for 3 months. And it is one of a few cryptos in the top 100 that is doing that. And I think that is a very, very bullish sign for XRP. Now, what I need you to do, guys, smash that like button. I already know you're going to absolutely love this video because it is jam-packed, ton of things to get into. So smash the like button, subscribe down below, put the notification bell on, and drop your X's in the chat. And if you want to put your XRP price prediction, realistic price prediction, for this bull cycle into 2025, I'd definitely love to hear that in the comment section. I want you guys to engage with this video because I think there's a lot here that a lot of people can glean from here in this one. So I did not make an XRP video yesterday. There wasn't a ton going on, but this morning I've got a good narrative for you here and a lot to like. So what I want to start with here is altcoin seasons chart, altcoin season index from blockchaincenter.net. Okay. And we'll minimize this down a little bit. Right now, we are in Bitcoin season. Okay. Now, there's a reason how we know that. And it has to do with this chart right here. See, this is the top 50 performance over the last season, which is 90 days. Meaning the top 50 cryptos, all of them, excluding stablecoins and asset-backed tokens like wrap BTC and all of that. And then all the stablecoins like Tether, USDC, DaiCoin, all that. So it takes all those out. And basically, we have reached altcoin season under one condition, only under one condition. And that is when 75% of the top 50 coins are performing better than Bitcoin over the previous season, which is 90 days. Only then can we say we're in altcoin season. So right now, excuse me, we are not. I need a drink. We are not in altcoin season. Now, what I do want to show you, though, is when we zoom in here on this chart, you guys can see which assets are actually outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right here, down 14.4% in the last 90 days. Okay. The only ones outperforming, you can see here a few, XRP and Caspa, two of my favorites, Aave and Tron. Tron has been really nice. It has returned 34% in the last 90 days. Aave, 27%. Cas, 12%. And XRP, 9% in the last 90 days. So XRP is starting to lead the altcoin season alongside Caspa, Aave, Tron, XMR. Now, everything else is in the red, including Bitcoin. ETH is way back here, down pretty significantly, down 34.5% in the last 90 days. And eventually, I think ETH will help surge this altcoin season. But XRP, the point here is XRP is already doing it. XRP is already outpacing Bitcoin. And, you know, we've seen it come off the basement here, some of the lows of this cycle. This is the weekly chart, by the way. So if we go back into July, we can see we were down here at 42 cents, topping down here 38 cents back to begin July that month. This is the weekly chart again. So since that time frame, we were up here. We're still trading in this tight range. XRP still looks very, very solid. We're a little bit below our moving averages. Okay, but it's not going to take much to flip these short-term moving averages. We're right there on the cusp of doing so. So we'll be watching throughout the weekend and heading into next week. Now, with that being said, I want to come back to this headline that we teased a little bit at the beginning. And here's why Ripple's new banking plan could send XRP price to $4. I actually like this price target. It's not something outlandish or absolutely crazy or far-fetched. And, there's a lot of that going on. So just pay attention. Be careful to who you're listening to, because a lot of people are just trying to get crazy views and saying XRP is going to go to $1,000 and all this craziness. I'm a XRP bull. I really like XRP. However, I'm not going to tell you it's going to $589. The math just doesn't line up, guys. Now, does it mean that XRP is a bad investment? Does it mean that, XRP can't be the leader of the top 10 in this cycle? Absolutely not. I think it can. Now, XRP's price, it says, could trigger a massive rally to $4 if 2020 fractal repeats. Ripple's new white paper outlines a new strategy to partner with smaller banks. Whales that bought XRP in 2020 have already started loading up on the remittance token and are waiting for the bull run. So while XRP's price has been sliding a little bit downwards the past few weeks, the big bulls of XRP have been accumulating. And Ripple's August 30 white paper update outlines the project's plans to partner with small banks. If this strategy is successful, it could reflect well on the company Ripple and obviously lead to price appreciation for XRP. So the August 30th white paper shows Ripple is looking to bring its technology to small banks. Here's how Ripple plans to do it. Four ways here. Faster and efficient payments by using Ripple's real-time gross settlement system, RTGS, and blockchain tech, removing intermediaries and reducing the cost and fees for businesses, custom-tailored solutions that cater to the needs of small banks using Ripple's XRapid and XCurrent products, and then leveraging XRP via ODL, on-demand liquidity, to facilitate real-time cross-border payments. All of these facilities from Ripple will help small banks fight with the industry giants on equal footing. The payments company has already kickstarted this project, partnering with some banks in Southeast Asia and Middle Eastern countries. We know that Ripple has a strong foothold in these areas. Now we're looking to expand further, particularly in the United States and in Europe. That is where we need to make headway. The bullish development coupled with by the way, Japan, South Korea, big on Ripple, right? UAE, or Dubai is, Middle Eastern countries in general, very bullish on Ripple. Now, if we get some good news from the SEC and Ripple lawsuit, which, the SEC has until October 7th to appeal, this will add a lot for XRP's price. And we have the Ripple Swell event coming up in mid-August, 15th and 16th. So, expert attorney Bill Morgan says that recent ruling in the SEC versus Ripple and SEC versus Kraken lawsuits showcase that courts are unlikely to consider crypto assets as securities, and they're losing that battle right now. Morgan uses the rulings as the basis to suggest the probability the SEC will file for an appeal is low. So if we're looking at price standpoint here, this is kind of highlighting where we could go here. So the recent banking strategy stands to improve the odds of a positive rally, and just being available on all these exchanges again is huge, right? Like the fact that you can buy XRP on Coinbase now, But if history repeats itself, XRP could rally nearly 600% and tag the $4 psychological level, which would set a new all-time high. Adding credence to this bullish outlook, XRP price is the whales holding between the 100K to 10 million XRP's token accumulation. These investors have accumulated XRP just before the massive rally in 2020 and are following a very similar trend right now. Thanks to sentiment, we can see that the whales have been accumulating like crazy. Now, we need to stay above 52 cents. Otherwise, we could go back down to 38 cents, which is where we were on that chart I showed you a little bit earlier, back to start July of this year. Now, a couple things before we get up on out of here. I do have a trading indicator. If you're looking to make the best plays in crypto and you're serious about this, come over and check us out. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee, guys. There's a huge discount code happening right now in the description of this video. You can literally get this for a little over $1 a day. Try it risk-free for a month. If you don't like it, if it doesn't make you any money, we'll give you all your money back. I'm that confident it's going to help you make money. So XT Algo, links down below. And then Margex, we do have 2 open positions now, small open positions on leverage, just 5x leverage. just opened up a spot here. I like what the XRP chart is doing here on the daily, showing some strength here at 56 cents. I do think we're going to get at least a price pop back up to 61, 62 and look to exit that trade. I am in some long-term positions, but I do like where we are right now, just short-term, 56 cents back up to 61. That could be an interesting little pop here that I think we could see as long as the market cooperates and comes up with us. So if you want to sign up with Margex, it is a leverage trading platform. Just make sure you know what you're doing trading on leverage, because you can get wrecked. I only open up small positions for the most part, unless I'm really confident. And sometimes I follow or copy trade the best traders over on Margex too. Links down below. You're going to get access to free airdrops. Right now, they're running a huge free airdrop for Caspa. So if you're interested in that, sign up, start trading with me, and get free Caspa sent to your account on Margex. There is no KYC too. So links down below to that if you're interested. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not smashed the like button, do that on your way out. Drop your comments, your X's, your price predictions down below in the comment section. Have a great weekend. We'll see you. Take care.